Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my wellness planner, which is the black and white classic size happy planner, and I am going to continue using the stickers from Kellofaplan called Stripes and Florals, which is one of the older books, and I wanted to use this a really beautiful tropical set of stickers. So this is for the week of July 12th through the 18th. So we're right in the middle of the summer right now. And I'm going to go ahead and remove that line from the boxes on the bottom. And then remove the quote as well. And I use these really beautiful vibrant florals. They'll kind of become like a floral garden on the bottom. What do you guys think of this? Okay, so I'm just removing the lines. How vibrant is this? Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this really pretty wreath right on the side part section. A little bit of summer is what the whole year is about. All about, yeah. I mean, I live for summer. I live in a wrong state for that, but yeah, I live for summer. Okay, so we have florals, and now it's time to add some more elements. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful washi strip. Awesome. Okay, and time for boxes and other elements. So I'm gonna add this really floral box right in the middle of the pages because how stinking pretty is that? Okay, and one more on the side. And I'm just gonna layer the black boxes on top. Okay, and then I just added a little bit of the washi strips on top of it. And I'm gonna add some flowers to it as well, like so. I do have an exciting announcement for myself. I'm not sure if you guys will be excited or not, but I did ended up purchasing a home this past Friday with my boyfriend. So I am super excited about creating a new craft room for myself and reorganizing all of my planning supplies. So I think that's gonna be pretty fun for me to do. So I hope you guys are excited and are ready to join me on that journey. So if my videos are a little late or I don't talk a lot in them and it's just music, this is why I am trying to focus on the home a little bit and try to reorganize everything and reset up. But in the meantime, before the move, we are remodeling quite a bit. So just bear with me and I will be back to normal probably in the fall. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a few bullet points, and this is for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and any kind of supplements I take. So that's where those dots come in, and I think my spread is practically done. Maybe, let's see. I want to see what it looks like after I'm done with these little bullet points and go from there. Okay, just Sunday left. And I am pretty happy with how that looks. Those black bullet points really draw out the black. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you guys will join me soon for another plan with me. Thank you, and have a great week.